You won't believe what happens when tigers act strange before earthquakes. Scientists noticed that animals, including tigers, show stress days before an earthquake. Weird, right? But here's the twist. Humans can't predict earthquakes like this yet. Incredibly, tigers sense changes in Earth's energy before it shakes. It's like a natural alarm system. Which surprising animal prediction shocked you the most? Share below and stay tuned for more mind-blowing facts.